Welcome to Alafia Wellness Network's yoga workshops and retreats. Alafia Wellness Network is a full-service life coaching, consultation, yoga, and nutrition business that I founded in 2008. I founded Alafia with the sole intention of bringing a variety of natural healing modalities to people all over of all ages. And in my work with clients of all capabilities, I've had the honor of teaching in 6 or 7 cities in the U.S., in Jamaica, and in Cairo, Egypt. And in all of my interactions with my students from my Iyengar philosophy, I'm able to share with them how important it is to master your breath and yourself, both on and off the mat. In a number of places and in a number of ways, I've been able to share what I know of yoga, what I know of wellness, and what I know of consistency to help my clients live their best lives. These are my top 10 reasons for adding yoga practice to my life daily, and I think they're pretty good ones. As we age, it's important that the flexibility of our spine is a part of how gently we express ourselves in mind and body. What we do physically in terms of how we feed ourselves, what we feed ourselves in terms of physical food, stress, and allowances in our lives, all build the temple and the body and the experience that we have on this planet. So as you take care of yourself, know that 94% of adults and teens around the world are doing the same thing. Everyone wants to feel better, have overall better health, moods, and more energy. Here's a sample workshop schedule for what I offer on a full day retreat. However, this can be added or adapted for weekends, half days, seasonal detoxes, staff development work, whatever it is that you need. I can teach you something powerful and useful about the natural world, yoga, and your access to being your best self. Although we pride ourselves on doing so much, yoga is an opportunity to just be one with the breath. It is a retreat for your mind, body, and soul that can be on your mat, off your mat, and in your daily life. I would love to empower your staff, family, or clients with a yoga lesson, a workshop, or a retreat. And we have packages for every budget. So please reach out. Allow Alafia Wellness to support you.